No. Out.
Terrific squeeze there from Golan. That was just
11-8.
very simple, effective
Golan
squash from
One
the
game to
battle-hardened campaigner. That was more like it from Dessouki.
That's well played by Dessouki. Nice attacking stuff into that front left.
Hand out. 5-2.
Well, that is a great shot.
Goodness gracious me. And that's the talent from this Egyptian, from Alexandria.
8-2.
That was feathered in beautifully.
Bow's not out. Thank you. 11-5 game to Dessouki. 1 game all. And out 3-1.
It's well played from Golan, switching the plate.
There is Peter Barker. The screen recently retired. He's on hosting duty here at Canary Wharf,
Yeah,
entertaining the VIPs.
Looks in his element, doesn't he, really? He looked in his element there.
Ball's down, wasn't it, from Golan?
Pickup was good. Pickup was good. The pickup was good.
Wasn't it? It was fine. Absolutely fine.
Hand out. 4-8. Down. 11-5. Game to Golan. Golan leads 2 games to 1.
Oh, that's tight. Very tight.
Hand out. 5-3. Right up.
Very, very expressive, Golan.
Hand out.
Certainly is.
He's done it. Golan's closed it out.
11-5. Match to Golan. 3 games to 1.
Wasn't the cleanest of matches, but 62 minutes. Golan overcoming Dessouki 3 games to 1.